Hi, this is Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here to talk about Moda Blockheads 3 Block 24. And this one's called Won't You Be My Neighbor by Stacy Sue. I love house blocks, and so I was super excited to see this fun block for our quilt along, and I'll share my tips and tricks with you for this block now. As I mentioned earlier, I just love house blocks, so I was super excited to see this fun take on a house block. And I love how the houses are kind of, traditionally the door is in the center. I love how this is kind of offset, and it's just a fun play. And again, you have lots of choices. You could make all 4 houses out of the same fabric, or like I did, you can use 4 different fabrics, or you can use 2 fabrics here and 2 fabrics here. Just lots of options for playing around with your fabrics. And because some of the pieces are smaller, you can probably use some of your scrap pieces for this. Now, I did use the Block Lock Flying Geese ruler to make my roof sections. Whenever I have a pattern that calls for a flying geese and there's a ruler in that size, I will use it. I will link this in the description so that you'll have it. I did make the 8-inch block, and this is the 2x4 ruler, and I'll link any of the other sizes that there's a ruler available for those as well. Pretty self-explanatory. Other than that, you make the flying geese roof sections, and then these are just a square and 2 rectangles that you sew together. I'll show you how I pressed it. Pressed the roofs in opposite directions so that to eliminate a little bit of bulk there, and I did that up here as well. And then I did press this center seam up because I feel like the flying geese always lay just a little bit flatter when you're able to press that seam flatter. So that's why I didn't press this seam open, because I feel like that was the best choice for making the block lay flat. Just such a cute block. I hope you'll enjoy making it. I hope you enjoyed this little video about Moda Blockheads 3 Block 24, Won't You Be My Neighbor? I'll have the link to my blog post about this block in the description below, and I'll also have the link to Stacy's blog where you can get the PDF pattern. And I'll also, on my blog and in the description below, share the Block Lock rulers that help make the roof sections a little bit easier for this quilt. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.